Well, hello, this is John Welty and Melissa. We're going to be recording an unboxing here of the SmoothTalker. This is a X6 Pro. It's a cellular signal booster. We've been using a WineGuard gateway with a Verizon SIM card in it, using a business account, which gives us pretty good data for, you know, I don't know if I'd call it a reasonable price, but the best price we could find. But occasionally it's not very strong. So the WineGuard with the 360 plus antenna on the roof has a pretty short range, and this measures range in miles, like many miles. So we're hoping this changes everything for us. All right, here's the good box. So this is the SmoothTalker. It's 4G LTE, the Xtube Extreme Power mobile booster kit. This actually wasn't available on the website when we went to buy this. We bought the previous, or at least a less powerful version, but I had happened to contact customer service at SmoothTalker. They're in Canada. They got back to me right away and they said, well, you'd really be better off with this, and they gave me a link, and I said, well, it's not on your website. So they're going to be talking to the webmaster. Hopefully they'll get that fixed, but if not, I'll put a link on this video so you can take a look at it also. I don't know how long this has been an option. So we got a little bit of a please read before you get connected, make sure you call service before you return it, that type of stuff. There's a nice, pretty windy here today, nice diagram of where you put it on the camper. This can also be used in semi-trucks and in pickup trucks and that sort of thing as well. So I will keep going here. We've got, looks like some type of an antenna cable, probably extension cable. This looks like the power supply. Here's the AC adapter. This is the inside antenna. It's got some adhesive backing on it. So this is what you put inside your either truck or camper, so that your any cellular devices within your rig are going to connect to this and get that boost. And then here's the actual unit that does the boosting. Super tight and compact. This is smaller than my cellular gateway. That's pretty nice. Very heavy heat sink. Passes all the way through there. And it does show all the bands, and there's indicators, so you can do a little bit of troubleshooting if there's any problems, I guess. Looks like your antennas connect to here and pass through. Now this is the antenna that's going to go on the outside. So this has got that extra boost on it. And we've got the antenna mounting here. It looks like it's got a spring base. Well, the wind is really picking up. It's got a spring base here. It's kind of a whip type antenna. And then of course the instructions. That's about all that's in there. So when we get a chance to get to the install phase and evaluations phase, we'll take a look at that. But this is what's in the box so far. Thank you.